Are you sick and tired of constantly running out of hot water? Or has your water heater quit altogether? Well, don't get taken in by the biggest plumbing scam ever. Regardless of its age, if your tank isn't leaking, there should be no reason to replace it. Every part of this thing is relatively inexpensive, readily available, and easy to replace. The giant killer associated with age is not corrosion and leakage, but the massive buildup of sediment. It will decrease efficiency, shorten life, destroy parts, and cause extreme shortages of hot water. It was once extremely difficult to remove because water heaters are engineered to be a disposable item. They're just not designed to be cleaned, and as you may know, flushing just simply doesn't work. What the plumbers won't tell you is there is a new tool out there now that can quickly extract this sediment and restore your tank. It's called the Turbo Tank Cleaner, and this thing is amazing. Please share this with all your friends.
Put a turbo tank